Can you see this? Girl, can you see this? You see all that shedding, honey? But it's pretty, right? Okay, like maybe it looks good, but like it don't feel good. You know what I mean? So you gotta take the cons with the pros, girl, if you dig what I'm saying. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills up roads. Hey guys, and welcome back to Happy Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today I am coming to you guys with yet another wig update. A lot of people wanted to know how the Sensationnel Darlene unit was holding up, so I decided to just come to you guys with a review and let you know how it's been working for me. So I've been wearing this hair for 5 days now, and we need to just get into how this bad boy is holding up. So of course, the typical cap construction on this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come a bit pre-plucked in the front, and I really love how it lays, and I like how easy the lace was to blend into my skin. If there's one thing I do love about this unit, it is the fact that it was so easy to blend. The density on this one, of course, you guys, is super full. So if you're a person that does not like big hair, I would not suggest this at all, but I was living for it because I am a person that loves big hair. Initially, the texture on this was more on the like soft Yaki side, but now after a couple of days later, the texture is giving me dried out doll hair vibes. So the length on this unit is pretty nice. I do like the fact that it comes like just above my boobs. And for sure, I feel like the top does look better than the bottom. Like, look at that, honey. It's looking already at the bottom. So I wouldn't necessarily say that this is really big head friendly, because like I said, my head is on the smaller side. I did adjust the straps quite a bit, and it's fitting my head very nicely. But even with these straps not adjusted all the way, I feel like it did still have a pretty good fit on my head. So I'm not really sure how this is as far as being super big head friendly, but I definitely would say it's small and medium head friendly. It just sheds. Like, it just sheds. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros that I have on this unit. My number one con is definitely the shedding. Like I always say, I'm a person who definitely expects some shedding when I have units, but with this one I just feel like it was too much. I feel like it was an overwhelming amount of shedding. I mean, and the fact that it's getting so dry, like it's super dry. It's like nice and soft still on the top, and these curls do still look nice. But the bottom, it probably doesn't look that awful in person, but honey, when you're wearing it and you're feeling it, like, I am not here for that at all. Initially, when you get out of the box, it seems pretty easy to get a couple of styles going, but the more and more you wear it, like I said, it does get dry. You start getting that shedding, you start getting that tangling. So it's more versatile when you first get it than it is when you wear it for a couple of times. So it's not as versatile right now as it was in the beginning, so I feel like that's definitely another downside. So I feel like those are my biggest issues with this unit. This 100% is going to be a special occasion unit. Today, more than anything though, it's acting up. I feel like the past like 2 days previous to this, it was fine, but like now, girl, The pros that I do have on this hair are pretty good though. I feel like number one is definitely the hairline. Of course, we know that Sensational always comes hard with the hairlines, and I feel like this one definitely is for me. I just really love how the hairline on it is. I love how easy it took my concealer, how effortless it is. I love the fact that when I was wearing this, I did not have to be self-conscious about my lace showing or anything like that. Like, they did a wonderful job with the lace, and I have to hand that to them, because with as this hair is getting all dried out and everything like that, I have to say it's one I would perhaps pick up again as a special occasion unit, specifically though just because the lace is so good. So I feel like that's a ridiculous plus right there, not being self-conscious about your lace showing or anything like that, and it blending into your skin very well. I definitely have to give them that. Another pro that I'm going to give them is definitely the density on this one, because it's very full, it's really nice. The length on it is really nice, the curl pattern is beautiful, so I am going to give them a couple of pros with this. Do the cons outweigh the pros though? I feel like you have to leave that decision up to yourself, because I'm just a person. I can't be doing all this shedding. I can't be walking around like a dog, like pulling my hair all the time. Like, I know it's natural for even your natural hair to shed, but like this, honey, this is out of control. This is out of control. So if you're a person that really doesn't mind pulling your hair out every 2-3 seconds, or you just don't really touch your hair like that, then I definitely would suggest it. Like, girl, do your thing. But other than that, if you're not a fan of shangling, shedding, and tangling, I wouldn't necessarily suggest this, but I 100% would suggest it if you were looking at this unit as just like you want to throw it on for a couple hours and go out and do something. Not like me, where I'm like consistently wearing it, trying to see if I put in the work, like, how long can I make this last? Like, can it be an everyday unit? I don't think it can, because like I said, I've been trying to wear it every day, and it is not giving me that vibe. But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this review was helpful for you guys who are interested in picking this up, so now you could see how it actually held up. And just like I said, it's been 5 days of me consistently wearing this unit, wearing around the house, wearing it out and about. So definitely keep that in mind if you plan on picking this unit up, but definitely also keep in mind that this probably would hold up better if you were not going to wear it as consistently as I did. But that's pretty much all I would say. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like this unit as much as I did initially. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.